Hi everyone, this is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia. Welcome back to me in YouTube. How are you today? Today is Sunday, but I still make a tutorial for you. Today we will talking about how to install Gluon scene builder for JavaFX and how to integrate it with NetBeans. But before we are going to the tutorial, don't forget to click the subscribe button to make me more productive in making videos. Okay, check this out. First, we have to open the browser and make sure you have internet connection. We write Gluon scene builder. Like this. We choose this one. This is Gluon scene builder website. Here is some documentation of the Gluon scene builder. What is a scene builder and what is its usefulness? In short, the scene builder we use to design the visual appearance of JavaFX application in NetBeans. As we can see, we can drag and drop. User interface design allows for rapid iteration. And the advantages, scene builder is open source. So we do not have to pay for it. To download it, we can scroll down. And we can see, download scene builder for Java 9. And here there is also a download scene builder for Java 8. Because I use NetBeans 8.2, my Java version is Java 8. So I chose download scene builder for Java 8 and Windows 64-bit, because my Windows is 64-bit system. For those of you who want to know the version of Windows system can go to my computer, this PC, and right click then select properties. Can we see the version of our Windows system? Okay, I download this. And wait until the download is complete. I've already downloaded it. When the download is complete, we go to the download folder. Right click on the file. And then choose open or run as administrator. We select I accept the agreement, and then select next. And this is installation directories of scene builder. We ignore, and select next again. The installation still in progress. Yay, the scene builder is already installed. Next step is how to integrate scene builder with NetBeans. I try to create new project. Right click and then select new project. And we select JavaFX and JavaFX FXML application. And then select next. And I named it, first JavaFX app. And then select finish. This is our JavaFX application. To design FXML on the scene builder, we can right-click on the project file name .fxml and select open or double-click on it. But, as default NetBeans not integrate with scene builder. To integrate it, we go to Tools, and select Options. And then select Java, and select JavaFX. And then Scene Builder Home is directories of Scene Builder installation. Choose Apply, and OK. We try to open FXML on Scene Builder, double-click, or right-click and then open. In here, we can add button, label, and other as we want. Okay, I think enough tutorial in this time. If you have any question, comments, you can write down in the comment field. Thank you and see you again.